Good morning.
Hello, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, is it audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Say something, I'm not able to hear. ఇది వేరే ల్యాప్టాపా? ల్యాప్టాప్ మారిందా? సౌండ్ వినిపించట్లేదే. ఫుల్ ఉంది. వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడేది ఏం వినిపించట్లేదే. సే సంథింగ్ మా.
Good morning, ma'am.
సే వినీత అన్న అమ్మాయి మాట్లాడుతుంది వినిపించట్లా. అక్కడ మ్యూట్ ఉందా? వినీత, కెన్ యూ సే సంథింగ్?
For us, it's audible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, now it is audible. Thank you. I'm sharing the screen. Let me know once it is visible. Is it visible?
Yeah, ma'am. It's visible.
Yeah. So, what we are discussing in the last class, we finished the interfaces concept and then we started that enhancements concept, correct? We are going to start the
Yes.
enhancements concept today. What is the enhancements? To do the modifications in the standard, so we are going to use that is called enhancements. Why we need to do the modifications in the standard? See, when the flow is going on, okay, so in between they want to add something extra code as per the business requirement, then we need to go for the change mode. Is not possible at that time, we'll go for enhancements. For example, I'm taking the order. Okay. So normally order creation VA01 order creation will be there and you are going to create the order. It will save into the VBAK VBAP. So VA01 is the T code. When you save, it will go and store into the VBAK VBAP tables. This is the standard flow which is happening. Now, so the requirement is I'm just selling that like a small product like pens, okay, which is 1 rupee pens or something, which is getting the order for 1000 or 1000, 10,000 like that. Okay, fine. If I'm getting for 1 lakh order for the pens, so what I need to do? So normally you can accept the order. So no problem. In the standard it will allow. But as per my business requirement, what I need to do? If it is more than 1 lakh order is coming, then I have to get the permission from my manager. Is it okay? Can I take 1 lakh pens? Can I produce? Production is there that much. Stock is available for that much. I want to check with my manager and then I need to get the approval and then I need to accept the order. Okay. This validation I want to keep because this validation is not available in the standard. So because for the standard what SAP is given, whenever you're creating the order, take the material and the quantity, whatever price, accept it. Because if you go for the laptops selling for that person, 1 or 2 laptops only crosses 1 lakh. For them it is very simple. 2 laptops anybody can buy. They can accept. They can't keep this condition for globally. Correct? So, as per my business logic, my client is Reynolds, which is making the pen manufacturing. So, there 1 lakh pens, 1 lakh 4 pens means it is huge amount. I can't take that. Okay, I want a permission. I want to add custom logic only for that client. So, you're working on that client, you want to add the condition. Then, how to add? VS01 is the standard transaction. For that backend standard program will be triggered and then In that I want to write the any conditions. You can't go for change mode because it is standard. Then what we can do? We can use this enhancement to do the modification. Is it clear the requirement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, not only this requirement, it can be any requirement. Like this, it will come. Okay, different kinds of requirements will come. So for that, you need to work on that. Okay, fine. So now I got the requirement. Then now what I need to do? I need to find the enhancement. Why we need to find? Because it is already available. Yes, enhancements are the options which is already given by SAP. Those are the plugs which is already given by SAP. Okay, these are the areas maybe they want to change. They given already some places to write the conditions, to write the code. That places we need to find. Once we find, we can hang our code there, we can implement our code there. So that's the reason you're going to write up to now. I developed a report for so and so reason. I developed a upload program for so and so reason. I developed a BDC program for so and so reason. I developed a interface. Okay, customizing idoc I developed. Extension of idoc I did it. Like that you will write. But coming to enhancements, you're not going to say, I developed enhancement. No, we are not supposed to develop any new enhancements. What to do? We need to find the enhancement and you need to implement. These are the enhancement options which you can't create. It is already given by SAP. You need to find it and implement it. That's the reason when it comes to the enhancements in the resume, you can see only implemented. I implemented user exit, I implemented customer exit, implemented body, implemented implicit, implemented explicit, point and section. Like that you will write, but not the developed. Clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్స్ అనేవి స్టాండర్డ్ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఆల్రెడీ ఎస్ఏపి ఇచ్చేసింది. మనం జస్ట్ వాటిని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఆ ప్లేస్లో మనకి అంటే బిజినెస్కి కావాల్సిన విధంగా కోడ్ని రాసుకోవచ్చు. అది ఏంటి మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం ఆ ప్లేసెస్? లేదు, ఆల్రెడీ ఎస్ఏపి ఇచ్చేసింది ఆ ప్లేసెస్ని. మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ఫైండ్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఎక్కడుంది ఆ ప్లేస్ అని వెతుకుతున్నాం. వెతికాక తర్వాత మనం కోడ్ని ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, so that is about the enhancements. To do the modifications in the standard, we are going to use the enhancement concept. Okay, fine. Under enhancements, we have like user exit. Okay, user exit, customer exit, function exit, screen exit, menu exit, field exit, and body, implicit enhancement, explicit enhancement. Like that, we have the options. What is user exit? User exit is nothing but subroutine. Means perform user exit, some name will be there. If you double click, it will take you to the form and form where you can write the code. User exit is nothing but subroutine. ఓకే, యూజర్ ఎగ్జిట్ అంటే ఏంటి? సబ్ రొటీన్. అది అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది? పర్ఫామ్ యూజర్ ఎగ్జిట్, దాని తర్వాత ఏదో ఒక నేమ్ ఉంటుంది. రీడ్ డాక్యుమెంట్, సేవ్ డాక్యుమెంట్, సేవ్ డాక్యుమెంట్, ప్రిపేర్, డిలీట్ డాక్యుమెంట్, అలా. సో ఏం యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం? ఆ పర్ఫామ్ మీద డబల్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే నేమ్ మీద ఫామ్ అండ్ ఇన్ఫామ్కి తీసుకెళ్తుంది, అక్కడ కోడ్ రాస్తాం. సో యూజర్ ఎగ్జిట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ సబ్ రొటీన్. క్లియర్ అమ్మా?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have customer exit. What is this customer exit? Customer exit is nothing but collection of function exit, screen exit, menu exit, field exit. What is all these things? It's a collection of this. Function exit. Function exit is nothing but a function module. Okay. Under that we'll have a Z include. Inside the Z include, we are going to implement the code. So function exit is nothing but function module. ఫంక్షన్ ఎగ్జిట్ అంటే ఏంటి? అదొక ఫంక్షన్ మాడ్యూల్. దాంట్లో జీ ఇంక్లూడ్ అంటే జెడ్తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే ఒక ఇంక్లూడ్ ఉంటుంది. దాంట్లో మన కోడ్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసుకుంటాం. క్లియర్ అబౌట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎగ్జిట్?
Yeah, ma'am.
Then we have screen exit. What is screen exit? So these and all available under the tabs, so which is nothing but subscreen. They given subscreen. Inside that subscreen you can design whatever fields you want. So screen exit is nothing but subscreen. We learn in the module pool programming what is the subscreen which we can call under the tabs. Under that what we can design, you can design all the entire whatever you require, you can design it, but it is just a not a normal screen, which is a subscreen which calls under the tabs. ఓకే. సబ్ స్క్రీన్ అంటే ఏంటి? నార్మల్ స్క్రీన్ అంటే మినిమైజ్, మాక్సిమైజ్, క్లోజ్ బటన్ ఉంటుంది. టీ కోడ్ ద్వారా కాల్ చేస్తున్నాం. అది నార్మల్ స్క్రీన్. సబ్ స్క్రీన్ అంటే మినిమైజ్, మాక్సిమైజ్, క్లోజ్ బటన్ ఏముండదు. దాన్ని ట్యాబ్స్ కింద మాత్రమే కాల్ చేస్తారు. సో ఈ స్క్రీన్ ఎగ్జిట్ అంటే సబ్ స్క్రీన్. సో ఆ డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే SE41కి తీసుకెళ్తుంది. దాంట్లో మనకి ఎలా కావాలంటే అలా డిజైన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే. సో దట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ స్క్రీన్ ఎగ్జిట్. క్లియర్?
Yes, ma'am.
So next we have the menu exit. What is this menu exit? Menu exit is nothing but GUI status. Okay. In the standard, I have already so many buttons. I want to add extra button means if they given the option of menu exit, then it will show the FCT code. You can double click, it will take you to the same SC51, SC41. You can create that button and then for that action also you can write the code. సో మెను ఎగ్జిట్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ జియూఐ స్టేటస్. మెను ఎగ్జిట్ అంటే ఏంటి? జియూఐ స్టేటస్. జియూఐ స్టేటస్ అంటే ఏంటి? కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ మెను బార్, అప్లికేషన్ టూల్ బార్, స్టాండర్డ్ టూల్ బార్, టైటిల్ బార్. సో వీటిని కలెక్షన్నే మెను బార్ అంటాం. సో దాంట్లో ఏంటి, వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చేస్తారు. ఈ బటన్ FCT కోడ్ ఇచ్చేసాను, డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఆ బటన్కి తీసుకెళ్తుంది. యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకొని దానికి కోడ్ రాసుకోవచ్చు, అంటే మీ ఓన్ బటన్ని యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు in the standard screens. Clear? Menu exit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then field exit. What is this field exit? Means this is absolute. In the older versions they are using, but now in the latest versions we are not supposed to use. That is called absolutes. So what happened here means field exit. Mm, there is a screen, address screen. Okay, so before we have like a post box numbers and all. Olden days we are giving the address with the post box numbers only. So after that nowadays we have the pin codes. No need of post box, directly we can give the pin code and we can directly navigate to that place. So that post box number, that field is already available in the screen. Okay, which is not at all using in the nowadays. So what they will do, instead of using that field for post box, they will change the description of the field and they will use it for some other purpose. If they want to use it for some other field to be added the details, they'll use. That is called field exit, which is applicable in older versions but not in the latest versions. You're not supposed to use. So it is absolute. ఓకే. సో ఫీల్డ్ ఎగ్జిట్ అంటే ఏంటి? మనం ఒక ఫీల్డ్ని యాడ్ చేసుకోవడం కాదు, ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది, అది వాడుకోవట్లేదు, దాని ప్లేస్లో టెక్స్ట్ మార్చేసి దాన్ని ఇంకొక ఫీల్డ్గా వాడుకోవడానికి యూస్ చేసుకోవడాన్ని ఫీల్డ్ ఎగ్జిట్ అంటారు. అది ఓల్డెన్ వర్షన్స్లో యూస్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్స్లో యూస్ చేయం కాబట్టి అబ్జల్యూట్, వాడకూడదు, అలాంటివి చేయకూడదు. క్లియర్ అమ్మా?
Yes, ma'am.
సో కాబట్టి మనం ఏం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం? వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎగ్జిట్ అండ్ వీల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ స్క్రీన్ ఎగ్జిట్ అండ్ మెను ఎగ్జిట్. We won't discuss about the field exit. So even in the interview, if they ask also, you can, what is customer exit? It's a collection of screen exit, menu exit, and function exit. That's it. Only three you will say. Field exit you won't say in the interview at all. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then next one is baddie. What is the baddie? Baddie is nothing but an interface. What is an interface? Which is going to communicate between system to system? No, that is the interface which is communicating. But this is the interface which comes under classes and methods. Okay, we learn classes and methods. What is the class? Collection of methods, attributes, all those things. Same like that, we learn the interface. What is the interface? It's a collection of methods. What methods? Abstract methods. So which will have the importing, exporting, like parameters, exception and all. But there is a big code button. You can't implement any code inside that. That is called interface. Okay, baddie is nothing but an interface. మనం క్లాసెస్ అండ్ మెథడ్స్లో నేర్చుకున్నామ్మా. ఇంటర్ఫేస్ అంటే ఏంటి? అది క్లాస్ లానే ఉంటుంది మనకి. బట్ దాంట్లో మెథడ్స్కి ఏమి ఇవ్వచ్చు? ఇంపోర్టింగ్, ఎక్స్పోర్టింగ్ అన్నీ ఇవ్వచ్చు. కానీ దాంట్లో కోడ్ రాయడానికి కోడ్ బటనే ఉండదు. అది ఇంటర్ఫేస్. ఓకే, సో బ్యాడీస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఏంటి? ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్. మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, వాటికి కావాల్సిన ఇంపోర్టింగ్, ఎక్స్పోర్టింగ్ అవన్నీ ఉంటాయి, కానీ నువ్వు కోడ్ రాయలేవు దాంట్లో. కోడ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉండదు. దాన్ని రాయాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? క్లాస్లోకి కాపీ చేసుకొని దెన్ రాసుకోవాలి. హియర్ ఆల్సో సేమ్. బాడీ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ అన్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్. క్లియరా?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we have the enhancement framework. So, where we have implicit and explicit. What is this implicit enhancement? We learn all the modularization techniques. What is the modularization techniques we have? Perform, okay, which is going to call form and end form. Correct? The definition part of perform is form and end form. Call function, the definition part we are going to write in between function and end function. Method, we are going to write the definition part in between method and method. Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in all the modularization techniques, definition part, at the starting and ending, you have the space. That space is called implicit enhancement. సో ఏం చెప్తున్నాం? పర్ఫామ్ ఉంది, అది ఫార్మ్ అండ్ ఎండ్ ఫామ్ని కాల్ చేస్తుంది డెఫినిషన్ పార్ట్. సో ఫంక్షన్ మాడ్యూల్ ఉంది, డెఫినిషన్ పార్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్లో రాస్తున్నాం. మెథడ్, మెథడ్ అండ్ మెథడ్లో రాస్తున్నాం. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తున్నాను? అన్ని డెఫినిషన్ పార్ట్స్లో, ఓకే, డెఫినిషన్ దాంట్లో స్టార్టింగ్ ఎండింగ్ ఒక స్పేస్ అంటూ ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చేశారు. దాన్నే ఏమంటున్నారంటే ఇంప్లిసిట్ ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్. క్లియరా?
Yeah, ma'am.
Then we have explicit in that point and section. So the point and sections are comes under explicit, and a point and section are visible to our eye. So it's like a user exit, customer exit, and baddie and implicit means you have to find it out where it is, it is not visible to directly our eye. So we have several steps to follow to find it. But when you are debugging, this enhancement point and sections are directly visible to your eye. Enhancement point, point name, spot name, like that it will be visible to your eye. So if it is suitable, you can just implement it. Okay. So what is this point? What is the section? What is the difference? That we are going to see in the next classes. But that is also one of the option of enhancements. ఈ పాయింట్ అండ్ సెక్షన్ మిగతా వాటిని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే అవి డైరెక్ట్గా మనకి కంటికి కనపడవుమా. సో ఏం చేయాలి? ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫైండ్ చేయడానికి కొన్ని స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవి ఫాలో చేయాలి. కానీ ఈ ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్ పాయింట్, సెక్షన్ అనేవి మనకి డైరెక్ట్గా డీవర్క్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు కానీ, ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే కానీ డైరెక్ట్గా మన కంటికి కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో వాటిని ఎలా యూస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే అవి కూడా ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్ ఆప్షన్స్. అంటే మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి సూటబుల్ అయితే ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి అనేది నెక్స్ట్ చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్?
No questions, ma'am.
Okay, so whenever we go for modularization techniques, we'll have two parts, correct? What is that? One is definition part, another one is calling part. Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, same here. In the enhancements, we have two parts. What is that? One is finding, another one is implementing. ఓకే, మన మాడ్యులరేషన్ టెక్నిక్స్లో డెఫినిషన్ చేసి దాన్ని కాల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో అక్కడ టూ పార్ట్స్ కంపల్సరీ ఉంటాయి. సేమ్ అలాగే ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్స్లో కూడా మనకి టూ స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒకటి ఫైండింగ్ అంటే వెతుక్కోవడం. సో దెన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ అంటే లాజిక్ని యాడ్ చేసుకోవడం. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ కూడా టూ స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఫైండింగ్ అండ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటింగ్. సో విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ద యూజర్ ఎగ్జిట్. ఓకే. First of all, I'll try to create one sales order. If it is allowed, then I'm able to show you the practically all the scenarios. Otherwise, we need to learn only theoretically only. Either theoretical or practical, we are going to get the requirement. Based on that, you will follow the same steps how we are following here. VA01 is the T code to create the order. Whenever you are running first time, it will take time. I'll just open one more order so that I can copy VA03, VA01 to create, VA02 for change, VA03 for display. Remember?
Yeah, ma'am.
Mm. I'm just seeing that existing order. Why it is not there? And I'll create by seeing the values, whatever there in that, I'm going to use the same. Okay, so we can see here, okay, this is the order for that material, all these things are there. Okay, I'll just go and see what is this order war. Okay, it is standard order type. This and all will be given by functional, you no need to worry. Just here no functional, so I'm just checking the existing and doing that. Sales organization is 1000, 10 and 00. Distribution channel is 10, and then division is 00. These and all functional headache they are going to provide you. Next, 2130 sold to party and ship to party. And that PO number is 12389. Some number, random number we can give. And then we need to give the material M-17. Okay, I just want only order quantity is one. In the first screen, what to fill, in the second screen, what to fill, and after that, what steps you need to follow. This and all will be explained by the functional. Okay, you no need to worry. No. So I'm not able to create any order here because this is version 0 is not defined for fiscal year 2026. It is not possible to here. Um, 1 second, I'll check in that another server. This is which server? Manjula? ఇది ఏ సర్వర్ మా S26 ABAP 7 మన దగ్గర ఉందా దీని పాస్వర్డ్ లేదు కదా మనది వేరే కదా యూజర్ ఐడి మొన్న ర్యాప్ది కాకుండా అంతకుముందు ఉంది కదా అదా ఓకే ర్యాప్ సిస్టంలో ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ సో జియో ఉంటుందా ఉండదు అనుకుంటా ఐ చెక్ 82 మరి ఇది ఎవరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారా దీంట్లో ఎవరైనా మరి ఈ సర్వర్ ఎందుకు వస్తుంది మన దాంట్లో ఎవరో కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటేనే వస్తుంది. మీ పర్మిషన్ లేకుండా ఎవరు సిస్టమ్ తీసుకోక ఇవ్వకండి.
ఓకే.
కరెక్టే కదా. ఏపీ 39. ఇది మళ్ళీ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదే. మొన్న నువ్వు ఆర్ఏపి పంపించావు కదా,
కనెక్ట్ అయింది.
అప్పుడు అయింది. బట్ ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ అవ్వట్లే. నేను ఇంటికాడ కనెక్ట్ చేశాను, అయింది. ఇప్పుడు అవ్వట్లే. వాళ్ళు కంప్లైంట్ రేస్ చేయండి. నేను పాతది ఒకసారి ట్రై చేస్తా. అంతకుముందు పాతది ఒకసారి పెట్టున్నారు కదా. 100. ఒక్క నిమిషం. సో నేను ఇది ట్రై చేస్తాను. స్టిల్ అవ్వకపోతే చూస్తాను. కానీ అది మాత్రం రేస్ చేయండి.
ఓకే.
I'll try here, ma. Disabled. Okay, ఇది ఎక్స్పైర్ అయిపోయింది. You have any other system credentials you people are having? This remote desktop. హలో, ఆడిబుల్ మా?
యా మ్యామ్.
ఏదైనా క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి, చూద్దాం ఆ సిస్టంలో అవుతుందేమో. చెప్పగలుగుతారా?
యా మ్యామ్.
చెప్తారాము వినీత?
యా మ్యామ్.
చెప్పండి.
183.
ఓకే.
82.109 మ్యామ్. 82 తర్వాత 109.
109. ఓకే.
231. 2601. 109 231 మ్యామ్.
109 తర్వాత
231.
1. Okay, 231
2601.
2601. Okay. Username.
S26
Yes. 20.
26 ABAP 10, ma'am.
Okay. Password.
Password. PTL at the rate 3, ma'am.
Hmm?
PTL
PTL.
at the rate
Hmm.
3.
Okay. Yeah. Connected. What is the user?
King, ma'am. KING, ma'am.
Okay. Password.
Capital W
Hmm.
E L
Hmm.
COME
Hmm.
123.
Okay. Here I'll try VA03 first. I'll check. 4980 is there. Yes. 4980 is there. I'll open that. You can open any order number /4VA01 to create the order or and what is the sales are 1710 1710 and 1000 10 and then 00 and then sold to party, ship to party, and then we have the material, reference. After that, material order quantity is 1. Just enter. Okay. Now you're going to save. Doc created. Okay. Continue. Done. This is 32268. Okay. So you can see this order got created. 32268. So what I want to do, I want to check. See, I just created in VA01 transaction. It got created in the VBAK table 1 entry and /4 SC16 and also you can go VBAP. You can see I created only with one item, so one entry is there. If I'm created with multiple materials, it will create multiple items. This is how they are going to create the order. Clear, ma? This is the existing process. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in the VA01, they're creating the order. When it is saved, it's going to update back two tables, VBAK and VBAP are the tables which is going to update. Now, the business requirement was, so whenever I'm creating with this material, if the quantity is, okay, or if the material is this, don't take the order like that. I want to keep some condition when I'm going to create the order. So for creating the order, this is the T code. For this, what is the program? The program will be standard program, correct? If you want, go to the transaction system status. You can see the program name SAP MV45A. This is the program. Okay. Or this is one way. Or slash n SC93 you can go. Okay, and you can give VA01 T code and click on display. You can see this is the program which is standard. Can I go for change mode? Standard program starts with yes, it is standard program. Can I go for the change mode?
No, ma'am.
So it is not allowing you to do the change. Okay, so then how to add my condition? I want, whenever this is the material, don't take the order. I want to keep that condition. How to do that? For that, what we are going to do, we are going to find the user exit. How to find the user exit? For that, we have steps. What is that? First, for the transaction code, you have to find the program name. What is my transaction code? VA01. For that, I'm just going to find my program name. What is the program name? SAP MV45A. Either two ways are there. I shown already. You can go for VA01 T code and go to system status. This is one way of finding SAP MV45A. Or we can go for slash n SC93. Give the transaction code and display. This is how you are going to find first for the transaction code program. So not only for VA01, for any T code like this only we are going to find the program name. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, రిక్వైర్మెంట్ చెప్పారు. సో ఎలా చేస్తున్నారని చూపించారు. దాంట్లో ఉన్న ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నారు. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఆ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్కి ఉన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేమ్ తెలియాలి. సో ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం ఆ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్కి ఉన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేమ్ అంటే, ఆ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్కి వెళ్ళి సిస్టమ్ స్టేటస్కి వెళ్తే వస్తుంది. లేదు SC93కి వెళ్ళి ఆ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్ ఇస్తే ప్రోగ్రామ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే ఫైన్, ప్రోగ్రామ్ వచ్చేసింది. దెన్ ఏం చేయాలి? SC38లో ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఓపెన్ దట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇన్ SC38 అండ్ దెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఫైండ్ బటన్ అండ్ గివ్ ద స్ట్రింగ్ యాజ్ యూజర్ ఎగ్జిట్. No gaps. You need to give as user exit as the string. So it shows where and all it is calling. This is commented. I don't want. You can see perform user exit, refresh document, perform user exit, read document, perform user exit, delete document, perform user exit, save document, prepare, save document. See, I have lot of performs means user exits are there. In that, which one I want? Whenever I'm saving, I need to check the material and I need to throw the error. So for that, I have to perform save document, prepare, save document. Like that, based on the requirement, you are going to choose the subroutines, means that performs user exits. If I am not able to understand which one is suitable, then keep the breakpoint and check. Okay, how to keep the breakpoint? You can see, select on that. You can keep the breakpoint here at the perform save document prepare. I have two are there. Which one is suitable? I'm not sure. So I'm just keeping the breakpoint at both the places. So if you are not able to find, you can keep breakpoints at all the user exits. Once it is done, I'm going to follow the same steps. How I created the order, same. I'm going to create one more time. So just now I given, so this will be available only all the information. Then go down and you can see the material and the quantity is 1. Just enter. Okay, then save it. You can see perform user exit, save document, prepare is triggering. Okay, in that what I want, just press F5. So here nothing, someone already implemented some user exit. Okay, see enhancements and all they already implemented. That's the reason it is taking you to that. What I need to check here, X VBAP or VBAP. Okay, So nothing is coming here. So what I can do now, I can see XVB API. Sorry. So I can see here the details XVB API. I have this. So I want to write based on the material. So XVB API hyphen MATNR is the signature, means which I required to write the code. Where it is available? In the prepare document. Okay. And it is taking you to the perform save document also. Here also it is available. Both the places. Whichever suitable, you can just choose it. So once it is done, I just saw that user exit instead of save document, before itself prepare document is triggering. Yes. Prepare document which is triggering. Under that we are going to write the code. So go here. So in the debugging mode, I understood that this is the place which is suitable. Double click on the name, perform name, so that it will take you to the form and end form. Here we need to implement our own code. Okay. So to implement our own code, we can go for change mode. No, this is again the CM started with standard program. Then how can I add the code? But up to here we are finding steps is clear, then I'll go for implementing the code. Finding steps is clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So these are whether you are practicing or not in your system, it is allowing to create or not, that is secondary. This is the steps you are always going to follow, either any transaction, not only VS01. So you have to by heart the steps. So they will ask in the interview also how to find user exit. What is an user exit? It's a subroutine. How to find user exit? Go to the T code, click on system status, note down the program name. Or go to SC93, give the T code and click on display, you will get the program name. First, you need to find the program name. Yes, I got it. Then go to SC38 and give the program name. Click on display, click on global find button, give the user exit at string and click on the main program and continue. So it is going to show you all the user exits. Check the name and keep the breakpoint and debug it and check which one is suitable. So these are the steps which is for finding. You have to by heart it. Then for implementing, what is that? We have two ways to implement. What is that? So one way is you can just click on change mode. Here it is allowing, ma. Normally it won't allow you. Okay, this is something IDS version they given for entire to change, but it is won't allow you. What you need to do, when you click on that, it will ask for access key. I'll show you there, MV45FZZ, right? In the see, this is IDS version, practicing version, na. The basis can give change anything they can do. Slash and SE38. The servers keep on disconnects. SC38, you can give this program MV45AFZZ is the program. So click on display. You can go to the line number. What is the line number? 294. Like that you can't, but you can say user exit save document. Control F. Save document. Prepare. Yes, it is there. Line numbers are changed. You can't believe that. Okay, line numbers. So this is the document prepare. You can see here when I'm clicking on change mode, it will ask for access key. This is the perfect system. Okay, clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what you need to do, you need to take the screenshot of this and send to the basis. Basis will provide you the access key. So that what happen when you given the access key and continue, this form and end form, okay, that user exit document prepare, na, the form and end form will come into the change mode. Then in that you can write the include and then you can write the code. So this is how we'll implement. This is one way. What is the another way? The another way, but is this is chargeable. Giving that access key means charge, right? Amount we have to pay to the SAP. So that is chargeable. So most of the companies they won't prefer to go for the access key. The another way, what is that? I said in all the modularization technique definition part, we have implicit enhancement. Yes, you can see this. This is the definition part of modularization technique, form and inform. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select this and click on enhance button because I want to find that dotted lines. Edit, enhancement options, show implicit enhancement options. So that it's going to show you that save document and you can see save document prepare. Yeah. You can see the dotted lines, this dotted lines. So you can see form and at the end form also you have the dotted lines. So wherever you required, in the top or at the bottom, you can write your code. Okay. So this is how we'll find the dotted lines. This is finding of implicit enhancement. Then how to implement? Right click on the dotted lines, enhancement operations, create implementation. I'm just going to do only declarations. No, I want to do code and declarations both. I'm going to click on code. Create enhancement Z22 enhancement for mat or whatever it is to restrict the material or whatever the description. Click on continue. So save it. So then that will be added at the last. Just click on continue. You can see it created enhancement end enhancement. In that you can write the code. So I'm just writing the code. Loop at x VBAP into so ls VBAP. Okay, I want to declare ls VBAP. How to declare? So here I can declare data ls VBAP type VBAP. Done. Then I need to check if ls VBAP hyphen the material. What is the material? Whatever we given up to now, the material now. Same I want to give so that I can test. So normally not like this, they will say that which material and all. MATNR equal to this one in diff. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw the message error message. Okay, what is that? Invalid material type error message, so that it won't create any order, it will throw the error. If you want to just inform I, type I message. Okay, like that I can add the code and then activate it. So this is how I implemented the code. Now what I need to do, I need to check whether the it is triggering or not. I need to test it. How to test? Let it activate. Whenever you are doing first time the operation in the system, it will take time. Even SC38 program also if you write. Okay. You can see here, I can keep the breakpoint here and I can check. Or without breakpoint also you can check. I'm just going to try one more time creating the order. This one, right? So I'll go for the same. slash n VA01. I am just creating the order again, same process. Okay, then I'm just saving. Now see that save document prepare is triggered. When I'm just pressing F5, it is taking me to that. Inside that I have xvbap. You can see it's an internal table with header line. I'm just taking one record into lsvbap and I'm checking lsvbap matnr is this. Yes, exactly the same. So it will go inside and throw the error message. See, invalid material. Like this, I can stop taking the order itself. Okay, is it clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this is how we are going to implement the code in the standard by using user exit. User exit is nothing but subroutine which calls perform user exit some name, which will take you to the form and end form. Finding steps already explained. Implementing steps, yes, you have to two ways to implement. One is go to the form and end form and click on change, take the pop-up screenshot and send to the basis. They'll give the access key, and then you can add the code. It will come into the change mode. But is this is chargeable? No company will follow that. The second way they'll follow means they're going to use implicit enhancement. In all the definition parts will have starting and ending. We have the area that is called implicit enhancement. So how to find it? Go to the form and end form, click on that spiral button which is called enhance button, and then it will show you the dotted lines at the starting and ending. So wherever you want to implement, right click on the dotted lines, create enhancement option and give the name, click on continue. It will create enhancement, end enhancement. In that you can write the code and activate. So these are the steps. Whether you are practicing or not, you have to by heart the steps and explain if they are asking in the interview. They'll always ask how to find user exit, how to find customer exit, how to find body, how to implement. So they'll ask, at that time you have to answer. Clear, ma? This is about user exit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine then. So we'll see in the next class the remaining customer exit, baddies, all this. Okay.
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 Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.